In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open your Excel spreadsheet. This can be a workbook you are already working on or a new file you have just created. Once the spreadsheet is open, take a moment to look at the bottom left area of the Excel window. This is where Excel shows the tabs for the worksheets that are already in your workbook. You may see names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or custom names if the sheets have been renamed. These sheet tabs help you move between different worksheets inside the same Excel file. If you need more space to organize data, separate information, or keep different parts of your work in one workbook, adding a new worksheet is a quick and useful option. Now look directly next to the last visible sheet tab. You will see the New Sheet button. It appears as a small plus sign inside a circle. This button is designed to let you insert a new worksheet instantly with just one click. Go ahead and click that plus sign. As soon as you do, Excel will create a brand new blank worksheet for you automatically. You will see a new sheet tab appear right away, and Excel will place you directly into that new worksheet, so you can start entering data immediately. This is one of the fastest ways to add another worksheet in Excel, and it is especially helpful when you are building out a workbook with multiple sections. For example, you might use one sheet for raw data, another for calculations, and another for charts or summaries. Inserting a worksheet gives you a clean space to continue your work without affecting the information already on your existing sheets. If you do not see the plus sign right away, make sure you are looking along the row of sheet tabs at the bottom of the workbook window. In most versions of Excel, it appears right beside the current tabs and is easy to spot once you know where to look. After the new worksheet appears, you can leave it as is or rename it later to make your workbook easier to manage. The important part is that the worksheet is now inserted and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.